Want to create killer content that sells? Want to unlock the full potential of ChatGPT and create the perfect writing style for any occasion with these innovative hacks? Well, all you have to do is enter your email address and your name below, and then I will send you this PDF document that you're seeing here 100% for free instead of selling it to you. And then once you do opt in, I am going to email this to you for free. But then as soon as you opt in, I'm going to present you with an offer that's very low cost where you can get a lot more useful training to actually help you grow your business and a lot of amazing software that my company has built for one low cost in my ultimate membership site. If you want to skip that, you can totally skip that and just take the freebie and go learn more about ChatGPT and how to use it to create killer content that sells. But if I were you, I would not skip that offer, because if you take that offer, there's actually, as you can see here, a lot more in-depth training. So there's actually a lot more in-depth video training on ChatGPT and how to do a lot of stuff that's not just a document that I showed you before. It's not just like this document, which is very valuable and very useful to you, but there's also, if you take that offer that is very low cost, there's also an entire video series training on ChatGPT and how to use it. And the video series shows you exactly what to do, how to actually be doing stuff. So I would recommend that you just go ahead and take that offer, because one, you're going to get access to this full video course on ChatGPT, but then you'll also get so much more other trainings, and you're going to get so much other software. Let me just actually try to show you everything else that you're actually going to get in here. It's insane how much stuff that I've actually put in here for you, but there's so much stuff inside here for such a very, very low cost that I would just recommend, if you can spare the $10. I mean, there's only $10. It's less than a pizza. You're going to literally get all this free software, which is literally over $500 a month worth of software, which is what people normally pay me for this software, and I actually have paying customers paying me. You're going to get all sorts of other courses on Facebook ads, YouTube ads, all sorts of stuff is inside here. Literally, it's completely full. Zapier training, all sorts of stuff is inside here. So I would really recommend not skipping that offer and just go ahead and get that offer, because you're going to get all this amazing stuff. Plus, you're going to get this full video course, which goes into more and more and more in depth in ChatGPT.